If you've recently upgraded to a new mattress, you might need to figure out how to adjust your new bed. Some discomfort in the first few weeks is possible, although if it persists, then maybe a replacement mattress is needed. That's why most bedding stores offer a sleep trial of at least 30 days. The Bedding Mart offers a 365-day sleep trial on most mattresses, so you can have plenty of time to decide if your new mattress is a good fit for you. In the meantime, here are a few tips to help you break in your new mattress. 1. Let the mattress breathe. Give the mattress a few hours without bedding and with either an open window or a fan so oxygen can penetrate it and make it become more flexible. 2. Turn up the heat. Turning up the thermostat a degree or two before bed can soften it, making it more comfortable. 3. Use a supportive foundation. A good foundation can ensure that the mattress provides you with comfort and the proper adjustment. 4. Add some weight. Placing a few objects on the bed when you're not using it can help break it in a little quicker. 5. Use your body. Crawling and rolling on the bed can help loosen up the materials in the mattress. 6. Spend the time. The more time you spend on the mattress, the quicker it'll break in. So spend some more time in bed throughout the day, potentially reading or watching TV. You're welcome. 7. Finally, give it time. Mattresses can take longer or shorter to break in, depending on the material. So just be prepared to spend somewhere between 1 and 4 weeks until the mattress reaches its full potential. If you're in the market for a new mattress, visit us in-store or at thebeddingmart.com. We offer a 365-day peace of mind exchange when you purchase a mattress and a mattress protector, so you can be sure that you'll find the perfect mattress for you.